Oh my gosh. I finally made it here. Kiwanis in Mankato. And everything's open. It looks dry. I'm so excited. Well, here we are, Skills Park. What are we gonna do first? The thing I haven't done. This thing. You ready? Oh wait, oh no! Wow! Oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah. I'm doing this wrong. It is like super dry here. I was expecting dampness, at least a little bit. So, look at this. Pretty awesome, actually. Oh, that's a fiddlestick. I think I'm gonna go ride the trails. Yeah, taking a shortcut. It looks like they've had to reroute some of this stuff. I not know what is with the dead grass. Are they spraying it? It's kind of interesting. This is a winter groomed route. Interesting. Just be curious to see what the jumps like. Jumps are like. Going right back to them. Well, nothing surprises me now because I think I took a wrong turn, actually. It looks like, I am really not sure about anything right now. They have, there's a jump line there. Okay. But remember, this turns around and there's a couple of little things. This isn't as fun as I remember it, but I've been riding so many places. This lower part might be a little muddy too, so we'll just have to be careful. Yeah, this is... So if I did the trail again, I can cut across right here. Yeah. I'll just be doing this again. Whoa! Slide out. A little bit loose. Oh, branches. A little bit branches. Wow! And get your speed up. Oh, there it is. Woo! Oh yeah! Just like I remembered it. I did not hit that one last time because I think I hit the second one. I think there's another one. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it got moved. Yeah, now we're going up and out. Going into the first jump line. Are you excited? I am. No, not quite going out yet. So, last time I was here, I had my Windbook action cam. There was no activity on. There's no pro scan. Going right to GoPro. Oh yeah, because that's how we roll now. I'm considering upgrading my action cam at some point in time. For right now, it's great. This is the longest I've had an action cam in service. I got it a year and a half ago. I'm gonna pause because I'm going into the jump line. Looks like the jumps might not be serviceable. No, I see them. Big tabletops. They've rerouted this. They used to go through jump line. This is what's left of it. Right here. Oh! Leave buckets. Yeah, they really got hammered here. No more jump line. Oh man. Well, now they've, oops. No, I don't really want to do that. I don't know what I'm doing there. Yeah, see, this is like brand new trails to me because it's like everything was rerouted and changed, blah, blah, blah. Well, now we're going back into the back part, and that's where the freaking awesome stuff is. I think there used to be a gap jump back here. Not anymore. Maybe they took out a lot of the jumps because they needed to be redone. That would be my guess. There we go, wooden feature. Oh yeah. Janky wooden feature. How's this for a wooden feature? Oh yeah. There's another one. It's even more janky. I think I'm on one of the... Oh! Sand. Too short. Yeah, that looks pretty bad. Here's the other one. I rode this one. I came back here and rode this one on this bike 2 years ago. Alrighty then. That's pretty awesome. So I don't know. Yeah, I do not know what I'm doing right now. Here's the X jump line right here. And it's open and it looks like it's rocking. Hopefully I'm rocking. My SD card got full, so I had to go back to the car. But at least I have an idea what's going on in this place, so I can cut across on these trails here and go back to the car. So we're gonna dive down. My next step is to dive down into the lower area where there's a jump, maybe, right here, and then come back up to the jump line. But it's really quite confusing. Okay, here we go. You can see there's standing water right there too, so I'm really not sure how I feel about some of this. Oh yeah! Oh, I just barely cleared it. I'm gonna hit that again. That was a sweet jump. Oh yeah. Oh, banana boats. I'm going the wrong direction. Actually, I'm going the right direction, but not quite yet. Oh. It looks like they closed this off. So I'm on the right trail now. So they eliminated one of the jumps because it goes down into the muck. And now I'm going to go up here and it's kind of confusing. I'm going to go up into the jump line. All right, here we are at the top of the world. I'm really not sure what's going on here. But I'm going to be doing this a few times. Ah, get clipped in. Get clipped in. Woo! Oh yeah! I am totally clearing these. Well, not these. No pausing. No pausing for the weary. Wow! I'm really flying over them now. Okay. Oh! Now, if there's a better landing on that last one, I totally cleared them. So this is Deer Lodge. I don't know if I'm going to take the plunge or not. It's wet. I'm going to pause severely, but I'll ride it up to that point. This is like a hard blue. Considering I'm the only one here, I could probably do a whole trail. Yeah. So, the whole trail backwards. So the blue trail is just below me on the right. And then once you ascend off of that, it's fiddlesticks, because that's where the dampness starts. But this thing is pretty awesome. Now this is where it drops. And I'm just gonna kind of slowly go into this. I'm thinking it's gonna be too damp. Yep, that's what I figured. There's a gap jump right here. So I'm pretty much done at this point.